Hi, I thought I would do a quick run through about setting up a monster using the 2024 style using the template. So I've opened up the template file and I've pasted in the text for my monster that I want to use. You'll see that like the stat block here is going to go a couple of tabs over and the mod tab save and then same with the strength, and we've got a double tab between the strength block, and then like a double tab between the con block, and then we've got a bunch of tabs uh, between this top row and the bottom row. That is because it's just a little bit easier to copy and paste over the pre-formatted tables, which are available in the template. You can just copy and paste this over. But we'll get to that when we get to it. You can do it like row by row if you want, or the whole lot. I will demonstrate. For this monster, I want an image at the top of the page and stat block at the bottom of the page. So I will bring in my image top half parent page and apply it. I want to use this content frame to put an image in, and as it's part of the parent page, you can shift command click on it to activate the frame. So that's sitting on the cover page image layer, so it's kind of behind a lot of stuff. So I'll just command D and I'll bring in the image, and then I will fit it to the frame. Now I'm wanting to have our text box, which sits on the content text page, to sit above the frame of the image, which is currently sitting on a page elements frame. So it's sitting kind of above everything else, which is kind of normally what we want. But in this case, we can again shift command click on the frame to activate it and pull it to this page. And then we can drag it down to the content text page. So it's all kind of sitting on the same layer. Right, so we'll get our text that's been copy and pasted in, roughly throw it in, and then just shift command square bracket to pull it to the front. I will just add a little bit more width to it because the text frame has a bit of padding and I want it to sit outside the margin, so the text is sitting on the page margin and the gutter for the columns is sitting correctly. So we need to add 5.32 millimeters to the width, and then we will apply the object style. I'm going to do a 2-column layout, so stat block frame 2-column, and that has been applied. And then I am going to copy and paste just this stat ability scores into here, which means I can select all of the stat text because it's been kind of formatted to fit the table already. So I'll just Command X, and then I'll select the whole table and do Shift Command V, which is paste in applying the style of the table. If you just did a Command V, normal paste, it would paste the formatting that it already had, and we don't want that. So Shift Command V. These might need to be kerned back. Let me double click in there. 1, 2, there we go. So that's the way of just chucking the whole lot in at once. Obviously, you could do it row by row, just tab through and put the text in individually if you wanted. But I find this just easier to go through. I can put in the text and I can just paste in a lot of the ability scores and then just go through and bulk format everything. For the remainder of the text, we will go and apply our styles. So paragraph styles, I have already gone through my template and applied shortcut keys. I find it easier to work that way. If you want to apply shortcut keys, it's pretty straightforward. Double click on the style, and then in shortcut, you can just go in there and press whatever shortcut you want to use. I find that for running through styles quite a little bit easier. And you'll see down here under stat block, I have most of them applied already. Ability score table, we don't need to apply quickly. It's kind of already done. So I will run through this. So the top one is going to be the name. So I've got my shortcut key, and then the next couple down, these all are going to be stats. So shortcut key that, and then after the table, we've got a bunch more stats. And I've got a little bit of descriptive text. Hang on, I need to put the ability score table behind that, so we've got the space. This is kind of just a descriptive text. I've got a bit about this monster, so I'm going to apply the descriptive text. And now we've got some subheadings, and this isn't attack text, it's a descriptive text, so I will apply that. And then we've got here, I'm going to push this over to the next column. So here we've got like bite, claw, they're both attacks, so I will apply the attack text. And you'll see that it's automatically applied the bold italic, followed by the regular italic, and then you'll notice that hit is italic, and then the rest of the text is formatted properly, and the same with claw. Then I will select Dreadful Howl. That is an attack text as well. So we've got Dreadful Howl, bold, and then the italic wisdom saving throw. And then you'll notice it's formatted as well. So like failure is italic, much like the new monster manual. And then this here is also attack text. Sorry, that is descriptive text. So we've got the bold italic to the full stop, and then it's followed by regular text. Bonus sections sit as a subheading, so just pull that up. And then these are just descriptive text, so I'll apply those. As you can see, that's the entire text block formatted. Just double click on the top to make it fit. There we have it. Everything is formatted pretty quick. You'll notice that, the initiative, AC, all of that kind of automatically bold, and the rest of the text stays Roman. So all of that is done either via nested styles or grep, specifically for the attack styles. These blocks here, they will, oh look, typo, that's great. They will do bold italic up to a full stop, and then follow that by italic up to a colon, and then it will look for anything between a full stop and a colon and make that italic, because the new monster manual seems to have this kind of preface the attack blocks that require saving throws right at the beginning now, rather than being descriptive, and then they have like this success and failure condition within the text. So yep, I hope you find the template's easy to use, and if you got any feedback, don't hesitate to get in contact, or if there's anything that's been missed that needs some tweaking. I'm constantly updating the template as I'm laying out my own documents. Anything I've missed or anything I feel like needs addition, I fix that in the template, and then I upload a new style. So updates are always free, and you'll probably get push notifications if you've already purchased it. Yeah, enjoy. Thanks.